Hey everyone, in this video I'm doing another exponent question, and this exponent question, it's got a lot of things going on. It's got the fifth root of something with two variables in it and a number, and it's got a set of brackets with an exponent, and that exponent's also negative. So I think the first thing we'll do is worry about the negative sign on our exponent. So all you need to do with a negative exponent, make it positive, and then say that it's 1 over. So the fifth root of 8y minus x to the exponent of negative 3 is really the same as 1 over the fifth root of x minus y to the power of positive 3. So the next thing I think I'm going to do is I don't want to have a square root sign in here. I would be a lot happier if I had fractional exponents. So I will say that the fifth root, now I can never remember, so I'm going to say I know that anything to the power of a half is equal to a square root. And a square root, there's a little imaginary 2 in front, and the exponent on x underneath will be 1. So that means that it's the number on the outside of your square, cube, fifth root, whatever sign that becomes the denominator on your fraction when you write it as an exponent. So I've got 8y minus x. That's going to be to the power of 5 is on the bottom. And on the top, well, this was just 8y minus x to the power of 1. So it's just 1 over 5 for an exponent. So I think what I'll do now is I'll distribute my 1 over 5 exponent into everything in here. It affects the 8, the y, and the x. So that will be 8 to the exponent of 1 over 5 times y to the exponent of 1 over 5 minus x to the exponent of 1 over 5. And all of that is being cubed. Now all I need to do is distribute my cube into all the exponents. So that will be 8 to the 1 over 5 times 3 will be the same as 1 over 5 times 3 over 1. When you do that, you multiply the tops. 1 times 3 is 3, 5 times 1 is 5. So 8 to the 1/5 cubed would actually be 8 to the 3 over 5. Y to the 1/5 cube would actually be also y to the 3 over 5. We're using this 1 over 5 again, cubing it. That would be y to the 3/5 minus x to the power of 1 over 5 times 3 would also be 3/5. And I think what we should do is say that that's our final answer.